Coming up on today's episode of Airborne Unlimited, SpaceX is spot on going up and coming down. The Zenith STOL CH-750 is now produced, ready to fly. Sporty's offers breakdown service. I'm Brie Cross. It's April 11th, 2016, and this is Airborne Unlimited. The excitement of watching the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket blast off to deliver supplies, equipment, and experiments to the International Space Station is not simply because rocket flight is spectacular, it's also because the United States is growing closer to going back into the business of launching manned spacecraft. The Falcon 9 rocket carrying SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft was launched Friday, and the docking with the ISS was completely successful. Normally, it would seem like the story ends there, but this time we were all watching as the Falcon 9 booster attempted another landing on a floating barge. SpaceX's Elon Musk was quoted by CNN as saying, "What was different about this landing is that the rocket landed instead of putting a hole in the ship or tipping over." Reusing the equipment is what SpaceX has been working on, and being able to land on the floating barge provides them with the ability to have a landing site located almost anywhere in the world. We at ANN congratulate SpaceX on this monumental achievement. Here's some great news for those of you who want a ready-built light sport airplane that has extraordinary short takeoff or landing capabilities. In a joint statement, Zen Air of Midland, Ontario, Canada, and M2 Aircraft of Mobile, Alabama, have announced that production of the ready-to-fly STOL CH-750 light sport airplane will resume. Final assembly of the STOL airplane will take place at M2 facilities from assemblies manufactured by Canada's Zen Air. Paul Mather, the founder and CEO of M2, says he is excited about adding the all-aluminum LSA design to his company's current line of tube and fabric light aircraft designs. The STOL CH-750 is powered by the 100-horsepower Continental O200 engine. Equipped with full-span leading-edge slats, the roomy two-place STOL design boasts takeoff distances of just 100 feet. The Zenith Aircraft Company, located in Mexico, Missouri, will continue to offer the CH-750 in a kit form. After the break, it's an airborne AAA service.
Concorde's recombinant gas RG series sealed battery technology produces a high-performance battery with the advantages of being pre-tested and fully charged at the factory. Find out more about Concorde's entire line of batteries at www.concordebattery.com. Concorde, the heart of your aircraft.
There's a difference between charting a steady course and pushing for the ceiling. And for nearly a century, Hartzell Propeller has been defining that difference. It's in our passion for engineering and research and our dedication to testing the limits of performance. We are built on honor. We are Hartzell Propeller.
Welcome back. If you would like to be a supporter of Airborne Unlimited, send an email to jim@aero-news.net. Sporty announces its breakdown assistance program for aircraft owners who need mechanical help away from home. In cooperation with Mike Bush's Savvy Aircraft Maintenance Management, Sporty's Breakdown Assistance Program is a 24/7 partner for aircraft owners. With just one phone call to a toll-free hotline, an aircraft owner gains immediate access to Savvy's team of knowledgeable and seasoned A&P IA mechanics. When an aircraft owner calls the breakdown assistance phone number, the on-duty mechanic will respond anytime, day or night, typically within 15 minutes. The A&P will assist in troubleshooting the problem and help determine whether the aircraft is safe to fly home. If it isn't, the aircraft owner will receive recommendations of nearby shops and mechanics. The aircraft owner will receive help in determining the extent of repairs and obtain cost estimates and provide oversight of the services until the work is complete. Finally, the maintenance records and invoice will be reviewed on behalf of the customer. Certain conditions apply, and pricing is based on the complexity of the aircraft. Each week, we share with you an online video that one of our viewers found especially entertaining. We call it our Aero Video of the Week.
Final liftoff of Atlanta.
The Airbus A400M is a military transport, and in this video you'll see it doing things that absolutely do not seem normal. Search Aerobatic Airbus A400M on YouTube. After these messages, Patty Wagstaff promotes aviation to women.
Redbird Flight Simulations is dedicated to revolutionizing flight training by designing, manufacturing, and delivering affordable and innovative flight training technologies. Each Redbird device is designed to enhance the training experience for pilots of all levels, from student to ATP. Redbird is quickly becoming the industry standard for flight training. Since Redbird introduced its revolutionary FMX in 2007, colleges, universities, and flight training operations around the world have integrated Redbird products into their curriculum. It's time to discover what Redbird can do for you. Join the migration.
Sandia introduces the new SAI 340 Quattro TSO'd airspeed, attitude, altitude, and slip. With integral backup battery, safety never looked so good. See it now at www.sandia.aero.
Welcome back. With so much news coming out of the aviation industry, we're summarizing some other interesting stories in a brief segment we call Around the Patch. Airshow pilot Patty Wagstaff will talk about her career as an aerobatic pilot on Monday, April 25th in the Brother Neil Keefe Aviation Building on the Lewis University Romeoville campus. The event is to promote women's careers in aviation. Entrance is free to the public. A Colorado state bill will expand the sales tax exemption for aircraft purchased for use outside of Colorado. The bill allows out-of-state residents and on-demand carriers to claim an exemption if the plane is removed from the state within a specified time. The FAA has granted an STC to Esterline CMC Electronics for the Electronic Flight Instrument System upgrade on ATR 4272 aircraft with its CMA 6800 display solution. The CMA 6800 is an active matrix liquid crystal display form-fit solution for cathode ray tube displays. John Grunsfeld will retire from NASA April 30th, capping nearly 4 decades of science and exploration with the agency. His tenure includes serving as astronaut, chief scientist, and head of NASA's Earth and space science activities. His contributions to NASA are many. 15 entrepreneurs and innovators in unmanned systems and robotics have been selected as semifinalists in AUVSI's Startup Showdown. They will be reviewed at Xponential 2016, the industry's largest trade show, in New Orleans from May 2nd through the 5th. Well, that's the trip around the patch. Now let's move on to the rest of the news. PS Engineering has announced another feature that can be added to their PMA 8000 BTI audio panel that provides Bluetooth streaming to a high-definition video recorder. This is compatible with the popular GoPro video cameras equipped with Sena GP10 modules. Other Bluetooth utility is available, such as audio recorders, headsets, or Bluetooth hearing aids. The Bluetooth streamer is transparent to the normal audio panel operation, and a simple push of the button pairs and starts the streaming output. The user can select from COM radio audio or the same audio heard by the pilot, including IntelliAudio process communications, intercom, and music. Now the pilots can couple audio with the visual story being recorded. Well, that's our program for today. Remember to get comprehensive real-time 24/7 coverage of the latest aviation and aerospace stories anytime at aero-news.net. Remember that Airborne Unlimited is streamed daily Monday through Friday with additional breaking news bulletins for important stories that fall outside of our normal deadlines. Please join us in a growing roster of over 100 outstanding industry associations and organizations every weekday for the best in aviation and aerospace news from the staff of the Aero-News Network, the aviation world's most comprehensive news and information resource.